From the dawn of humanity, our ancestors recognized the need to protect their possessions. They needed to store food, carry water, and transport tools. Nature provided the earliest forms of packaging. Large leaves could be used to wrap food. Animal skins, once dried and treated, could be fashioned into pouches or containers. Gourds, with their hard outer shells, served as natural bottles. Over time, early humans discovered the art of pottery. They learned to mold clay into sturdy vessels for storage and transportation. These early forms of packaging, though rudimentary, represented a crucial step in human development. They allowed for the preservation of resources. They facilitated the transportation of goods, and they laid the foundation for the sophisticated packaging industry we know today. As civilizations evolved, so too did packaging. The invention of writing led to the creation of papyrus scrolls, carefully encased in protective coverings. Egyptians developed elaborate methods for preserving and transporting their deceased, utilizing intricate sarcophagi and burial chambers. The Romans, known for their engineering prowess, created amphorae, large ceramic jars used to transport wine, olive oil, and other commodities across their vast empire. The development of glassblowing around the 1st century BC ushered in a new era of packaging. Glass offered a transparent and impermeable material, ideal for storing delicate substances like perfumes and medicines. The invention of paper in China around the 2nd century AD provided another versatile material. It was lightweight, easily transportable, and could be used to wrap and protect a variety of goods. These innovations in packaging materials reflected the growing sophistication of human societies and their increasing demand for durable and functional containers. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the late 18th century, brought about unprecedented changes in manufacturing and consumption. Mass production became the norm. Products were now being manufactured on a large scale. They needed to be transported over long distances. This new era demanded innovative packaging solutions that were both efficient and cost-effective. Paper bags, mass-produced for the first time in the mid-19th century, revolutionized the way groceries and other goods were packaged. The invention of the cardboard box around the same time provided a sturdy and stackable container for shipping a wide range of products. Tin cans, first patented in the early 19th century, offered a durable and airtight method for preserving food, transforming the food industry. These advancements in packaging technology were instrumental in facilitating the mass production and distribution of goods that characterized the Industrial Revolution. The 20th century witnessed the rise of plastic as a dominant force in the packaging industry. Derived from petroleum, plastic offered a unique combination of desirable properties. It was lightweight, durable, and highly malleable. It could be easily molded into any shape or size. The invention of polyethylene in the 1930s marked a turning point. This versatile plastic quickly found its way into a wide range of packaging applications, from thin films for wrapping food to sturdy bottles for containing liquids. The post-war economic boom led to an explosion in consumerism. This, in turn, fueled the demand for disposable packaging. Plastic, with its low cost and ease of production, became the material of choice for a rapidly expanding consumer market. Plastic packaging offered convenience and affordability. However, it also brought about environmental concerns that continue to plague us today. The digital dawn, ushering in a new era. The late 20th century saw the rise of digital technology. This had a profound impact on various industries. Packaging was no exception. Computers and software revolutionized the design and printing processes. Complex graphics and intricate designs could be easily incorporated into packaging. This enhanced the visual appeal of products on store shelves. Barcodes, introduced in the 1970s, revolutionized inventory management. They allowed for the automatic tracking of products throughout the supply chain. The internet and e-commerce, emerging in the 1990s, created new challenges and opportunities for the packaging industry. Packages now needed to be designed not only to protect products during shipping, but also to withstand the rigors of automated sorting and handling processes. Artificial intelligence, the architect of smart packaging. Today we stand at the cusp of a new era in packaging, the age of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from patterns, is transforming the way packaging is designed, manufactured, and used. From optimizing packaging materials to personalizing consumer experiences, AI is poised to revolutionize the industry in ways we are only beginning to imagine. AI algorithms can analyze consumer data such as purchasing habits, preferences, and demographics to create personalized packaging solutions. Imagine a future where your cereal box displays customized recipes based on your dietary restrictions, or your shampoo bottle recommends complementary hair care products based on your hair type. AI is ushering in an era of smart packaging that caters to individual needs and preferences. AI in action. Reshaping the packaging landscape. The impact of AI on the packaging industry is already being felt across various domains. Let's explore some specific examples of how AI is transforming packaging today. Automation and efficiency. AI-powered robots are being deployed in factories to automate repetitive tasks, such as packaging, labeling, and palletizing. This not only increases efficiency but also reduces labor costs and the risk of human error. Quality control. AI-powered vision systems can inspect packaging materials and finished products with greater accuracy and speed than human inspectors. This ensures that only high-quality products reach consumers, reducing waste and improving brand reputation. Supply chain management. AI algorithms can optimize logistics and transportation routes, reducing delivery times, minimizing waste, and lowering costs. Imagine a future where your online order is delivered by a self-driving vehicle that has calculated the most efficient route, minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. Automation and efficiency. AI-powered production lines. Imagine a factory floor where robots work tirelessly alongside human operators. This is the reality in many modern packaging facilities thanks to the power of AI. AI-powered robotic arms, equipped with advanced sensors and vision systems, can perform intricate tasks with precision and speed. They can pick and place items into containers, seal packages, apply labels, and even inspect products for defects. This automation not only increases efficiency but also frees up human workers from repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Workers can then focus on more complex and creative aspects of the production process. This collaboration between humans and robots, facilitated by AI, is creating a more efficient, productive, and worker-friendly manufacturing environment. Quality control. Ensuring excellence with AI's keen eye. In the past, quality control in packaging relied heavily on human inspectors who visually examined products for defects. This method, while effective, was time-consuming, prone to human error, and limited in its ability to detect subtle imperfections. AI is changing the game by introducing a new level of precision and efficiency to quality control processes. AI-powered vision systems, equipped with high-resolution cameras and sophisticated image recognition algorithms, can analyze packaging materials and finished products with remarkable accuracy. These systems can identify defects such as scratches, dents, color inconsistencies, and even microscopic cracks that would be invisible to the human eye. By identifying and rejecting defective products early in the production process, AI helps reduce waste, minimize product recalls, and ensure that only the highest quality products reach consumers. Supply chain optimization. AI's orchestration. The journey of a product from the factory floor to the consumer's doorstep is a complex dance involving multiple stakeholders, transportation modes, and logistical challenges. AI is emerging as the conductor of this intricate orchestra, optimizing supply chains for greater efficiency, transparency, and sustainability. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including weather patterns, traffic conditions, warehouse inventory levels, and even social media sentiment, to predict demand fluctuations and optimize delivery routes. This allows companies to make data-driven decisions that reduce transportation costs, minimize delivery times, and improve customer satisfaction. AI can also help reduce food waste by optimizing inventory management and predicting shelf life, ensuring that products are delivered to consumers at their freshest. The future of packaging, a symphony of AI and sustainability. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping the packaging industry. From personalized packaging experiences to self-healing materials, the possibilities are as vast as our imagination. One of the most exciting prospects is the potential for AI to contribute to a more sustainable future. AI can help reduce packaging waste by optimizing material usage, designing more efficient packaging structures, and promoting the use of biodegradable and compostable materials. Imagine a future where packaging is designed to be reused or repurposed, reducing our reliance on single-use plastics. AI can also facilitate the development of closed-loop recycling systems, where packaging materials are collected, processed, and reused in a continuous cycle. The evolution of packaging has been a long and fascinating journey, from the humble beginnings of using natural materials to the sophisticated AI-powered systems of today. As we continue to innovate and explore the potential of AI, we have the opportunity to create a future where packaging is not only functional and efficient, but also sustainable and beneficial for our planet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.